my
Garbage.
god! Oh my god!
Garbage.
Oh my god!
Absolute garbage. Most of these lens protectors do not do anything to protect the lenses, and they don't give you protection for the rest of the surface. But this is exactly why we have made our brand new lens protectors looking like this. It does look a little bit weird, but there's a very good reason. First, it matches the color of your phone. Then you get yourself a metal frame and magnetic snap-on lens protectors, so you get no dust, no air bubbles, less than 10 seconds. Our lens protectors have hydrophobic electroplated olefin clear, which makes them silky smooth and fingerprint proof. They are scratch resistant,
Amazing!
and actually made to protect those lenses properly. And if you like it, you get 2 sets in each box that are a bunch of different colors, so click the OK and purchase it now.